Lalela, uma ngabe kuyiqiniso ukuthi sonke sifunda ngamaphutha, kungani ningibambe ngamasende ngephutha elenzeke eminyakeni emithathu eyedlule? Mhlawumbe uma ngabe seniqedile ukuhlekisa ngehlala izolo, kuyofanele nizibuze ukuthi mangaka amatafula bengawo uma besingawasusa amagama ethu ekwasekeleni. Mhlawumbe kuyofanele nikhulekele nengelozi yokwamukela ukuthi ukusehlukanisa nehlulekile. I'm building a future with my wife. Thank you. Mhlambe kuyofanele niphume niphele kuthina.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Umgosi Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Indoda yagogo Maweni yendi video lapha ku TikTok la itshela abantu khona ukuthi abantu bakhulumela benhlekisa ngendo ya 3 years back. Uthi live video leyana iyakudzala leya audio lesivile la uMaweni was basically telling her ukuthi akadampe iside check ukuthi ivideo yakudzala leyana why abantu bamjudge bamkhulumele le into yakudzala. Uphendza wathi nje ucela ukuthi niphume kuye, phumani kuye nemfati wakhe. They're trying to build a future, and people said ukuthi hayibo we guy wesabelo manje wena ngalo usuyimbongi. Guys, I swear lisizi ngasabelo lisizi nje uyabona ukuthi aze endele video lena wende sekuthi uyabona ukuthi uyatrenda. Everyone is just talking about him, everyone is making him a love stalker, but ucontrola mfati ucontrola nguMaweni. Uthi yena le video leyana leya audio lelikhiwe yakudzala nje 3 years back. Bantu bangayinto ngazuthi yanyalo. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. This is the end of my video. I am signing out. Goodbye.